Babe, please don't drop.
I just feel like I'm going to drop it. Kind of serious.
Come on, man, you can't do it, man.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of
Look at you. Don't put me on there.
You sit down. Man, that's true. Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of J-Vlogs. This is Mar Plunkett. I'm here today with my beautiful sugar dumpling. She's here. We're about to go ice skating for the first time. Yeah, that's awesome. We're going to go ice skating for the first time, so we're in McDonald's right now, getting some food. My friend is in the car, Chrissy. So we're going to go and enjoy ourselves and just vlog it so you guys can, you know, get a chance to see what it's like. So where we'll be going is to JFK Airport. For everybody that's in New York or live in Queens, they have an ice skating ring at the TWA Airport. We look it up.
That's what they call us? For the little small thing?
Yeah, I want to no feeling. They're the same size. Yeah, so, oh sorry guys. So I'm here with Sugar Dumpling talking to her.
You want some water?
Yeah. Yeah, choose.
It's not. They mixed it.
You yourself, watch this. You juice it.
No, that's my. Is it juice?
Yeah, juice it. Team the people that juice. Sorry guys, I can't help myself. So, it's at the TWA Airport at JFK, so they have the ice skating ring. I think it is new, it's a new airport, so we're going to go there and check it out. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Never ice skate before, can't really roller skate, so that's going to be a challenge for me. But I'm just going to vlog it and hopefully you guys enjoy it and enjoy the vlog and the food. You're hungry? Yeah. No, you can't be in the vlog, man. You can't be in the vlog. 246. Dumpling, where's your ticket? So, oh, you get already?
You didn't buy her something.
You know, so she eat already. So that's why. Oh my god. So she eat already. You get a straw?
Yeah. Yeah, I got a straw.
Yeah, you want to come from YouTube? My friend there. Monday in a DM. She's single, you know. So I'm zooming on her little. Later. Yeah, man, bless up. J-Vlogs. Hashtag J-Vlogs.
Don't put me on there.
Yeah, so. Those are my friends from McDonald's. Mackie D. So, yeah. It actually look good in it.
I feel better because I'm about to eat.
Yeah, but yeah, I think you're grumpy. Yeah, she's kind of grumpy when she not eat peeps. So, yeah.
I think I just said on
We
something.
prayed out. Is it? Where's it? Oh yes, the camera shucks. So I have the GoPro as well, guys. Hey, Chrissy, say hello to the vlog.
That's the right one.
You alright? You look great. Oh, make sure not happy, you know, people. We're here and we're going to enjoy ourselves. And we don't want a grumpy face, we want a happy face, because I want to get hungry. So
Can you not put me on there? What's wrong with you?
and Chrissy belly full round there, so I'm there. So we're going to nice light are coming. So we're going to go there right now. We're going to drive. It's night time. It's literally almost 8 o'clock, so it closes at 10. So we should get at least a good 30 minutes Thanks, babe. Get a good 30 minutes, you know, skating. Hopefully not broke our back or our spine. We're not on a medical bill, but we're gonna enjoy ourselves regardless. So I'll catch you guys when I reach Sukhum. J-Vlogs, I'm out.
Not that day. Park and fly.
Hey guys, so we're here at the airport TAA. For most persons who don't know, we actually have a fancy car right there. So we're going to go inside. It's dead cold outside. It's winter. Ooh, the heat. Ooh, that heat feels nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just give you guys, gonna give you guys a view of the place so you guys can see what it's like. It's a really fancy airport, it's unique. Yeah. So I'm liking this so far guys. It shows you everything, gives you the arrival and departure in this nice little view. It's like a car, you know, those old vintage style airport. Not airport, vintage style theme. That's the theme I'm picking up. So let me zoom in. So you have arrivals and departure. And it's really unique. I like that. So you have a lot of cars and Chrissy's over there in the setting. Good? You're not trouble? You're not trouble? We want to have this nice mobile here by BMW. There's some nice shots going on at certain levels. And it's a 3-wheel. It's awesome. That's really nice. It's a really nice airport. I like the style dumpling. It's vintage. It's vintage.
What's there?
Ooh, look at this. This old TV. Can you go around this side? This is nice, guys. It's a nice. Ooh, sugar. Hey, them girls are shy now. Them utter road, but them so shy. That's outside? Ooh.
Outside.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's outside. Oh. So we're going to the skating ring. We're going to the skating ring. You sure it's outside?
Wait, don't close the door.
No, that's a hotel.
It is.
It is? Our Conco check. So that's the hotel section there. So this was being built for a while.
Locked up on people on premises.
On people in premises, right?
I didn't know it was outside. You know they got inside one.
Till if it was outside. Yeah, guys, so we're going on at this. We're going to a play in New York. Woo! Guys, so we just went under. We just went under that beam right there. Yeah, it's right there, skating ring. Yeah. Guys, look at that plane. Hello. Not even that vlog. Guys?
No, leave by example. Yeah, man.
We're about to go skate. All of us are dressed and ready in the skate and stuff. It is bitter cold and it is slippery. We're going to break our backs and our spine and head and everything, but we're going to try. Alright? So I'm going to be the first one to go out there on the ice. I'm going to put down the camera as well. I'm going to try my best.
Hold on. Let me record you from here, babe. You know what? Hold on, come on, come on. Ow. Is this a stand?
Yeah, step though.
Oh God. Oh God.
Them not half a gloves.
Damn.
Try.
Oh my God. I gotta talk to God. I gotta talk to God.
Oh God,
Well,
yeah. Chrissy, don't break his spine.
Yeah, go on,
Hold it,
man.
don't play, hold it.
Yo, go
Is
ahead.
that the same way? Yeah. And I know all me have to
Can you go ahead? I can't even hold this out. Anna. Babe! Babe, you need to stop her. You need to stop her. Oh God.
Let the 360 on the ice.
You did good. Can I stop the camera, babe?
You wanna try?
I can't record no more. My hands is freezing. Do your group ball. Is it on?
Wait, on. Jesus. Guys, as you can see, I drop on the ice. Whew, ice skating is not for the faint-hearted. It is difficult, cold-hearted. Yeah. You have to carry out them. If we just drop, we just drop. We have to kind of enjoy it. Yeah. No man, you're not breaking down. Just stand up firm. Yeah? No. Can't even put the music in there. Jesus. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to help them and come back.